Yo, what's the dealio, man? Listen, you already know I got a straight banger for you today, all right? So in this video, what we're gonna talk about is swing trading with the STRAT method. Swing trading with the STRAT method. Now, if you watch this video in its entirety, it could very much so be a catalyst to changing the trajectory of your life. I don't care if you're making money in the market, if you aren't, if you're struggling, if you're not, this video could turn you up. If you've been following me for any period of time, you know that I trade the STRAT method exclusively. I don't do no EMAs, zero EMAs. I haven't used the EMA in I don't know how long, almost a year now, probably. Ever since I learned about the STRAT method, I've been all in on the STRAT method. Day trading, swing trading. So in this video, we're gonna dive into how you can swing trade your way to wealth via the STRAT method. Now, I already have a ton of STRAT method videos. Go watch my STRAT method playlist. But we're going to add one to that playlist today, which is this video right here. So, first things first, when we think about the STRAT method and we think about trading in general, you got day trading. Now, what I've grown to understand and understand is day trading is not something that should be forced. All it is if I see a stock going in a direction strongly, I can ride that momentum. Day trading and scalp trading was not meant to force things. But if you could understand where a stock is about to go, you could already be in position the day before or 2 days before and catch that whole move. And that is swing trading. Swing trading is you could do an overnight swing trade, or it could be a couple days, couple weeks, couple months. That's swing trading. You could take advantage of an uptrend. Now, with that being said, when you think about the STRAT method, the first thing you need to really understand is what combination do you like trading? Period. That is the first thing. If you do not understand the combinations, it's not going to make sense. You're going to be like, whatever, the strat is whatever. But when you understand the combinations that you're looking for, that's when the game changes. That is when the game changes. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through these quick combinations via the STRAT method. So let's look at it. We got a 2-1-2 bullish continuation right here. We got a 2-1-2. We got a 2-1-2 bullish continuation right here. We got a 2-1-2 bullish reversal. Why is it a 2-1-2 continuation versus a bullish reversal? It's a 2-1-2 continuation because we got a green candle right here. It was already going up. It consolidated and it went up. Then we got what? A 2-1-2 bullish reversal. It's a bullish reversal because it was already coming down and then it consolidated and went up. That's a reversal. Now you got a 2-1-2 bearish continuation and then a 2-1-2 bearish reversal. Same concept, just to the downside. Then you got a 3-1-2 bullish reversal and then a 3-1-2 bearish reversal. Why is it a 3-1-2 bullish reversal? Because it was coming down, consolidated, and it came up. And it was a bearish reversal because it was going up, consolidated, came down. So that is a 2-1-2 and a 3-1-2. Now we have other combinations, right? A 1-2-2, a 1-3, right? 1-2-2, 2-2-2, a 2-2. I like these 2-2s now. But let's focus on the 2-1-2 and the 3-1-2. Now, why are we going to focus on a 2-1-2 and a 3-1-2? Let me tell you exactly why. So when I go to Google, I've done this already, but I'm doing this to show you guys. When I go to Google, what do we have? I said, what is the highest probability STRAT method combo? What did it say? The highest probability STRAT method combo is generally considered to be a 3-1-2 reversal or a 2-1-2 continuation pattern. Okay? When in line with higher time frame continuity. So, because that's the case, we're going to focus on the 2-1-2 and the 3-1-2. Now, like I say, if you have not watched my videos on 1 candles, on 2 candles, on 3 candles, then go to my STRAT method playlist and watch my videos on that, because that will inform you about all of this stuff that we are talking about. Now, what we're going to focus on in this video is going to be STRAT method setups. So we're going to be looking at the daily time frame and a little bit of the weekly time frame. So we got QQQ right here. They went crazy. But let's go to a random stock. Let's go to ABBV. Now, before we go into the charts, I'm going to say nothing that I say in this video is financial advice. I'm not claiming that you guys are going to make any kind of money. If you want financial advice, go talk to a licensed financial advisor. Now, next up, when it comes to these charts, when it comes to the STRAT method, I always say the more you study, the less you worry. You need to understand how the STRAT method works with everything. Now, this can work with any stock on any time frame. But when we're looking at swing trading specifically, there's nothing better than waking up to money. Nothing. So let's say you get into a swing trade before the market closes. You wake up in the first 5 to 15 minutes of the market, you're up 50 to 80%. If you take profits and you do that 3 times a week, in a year, you could be up 6 figures. Straight up. Now, the STRAT method setups are very, very powerful. So once you understand this and understand it, you can command 100% trades on a consistent basis. If you get a 100% trade 3-4 times a week, that is what? That's a double on your money. So let's say you put $1,000 in a trade and you get 100%, that's $1,000. Let's say you put $2,000 in a trade and you get 50%, that's $1,000. You do that a couple times a week, you're looking at $1,000, $2,000 a week. $2,000 a week is $8K a month, that's 6 figures a year. So I hope you guys aren't missing out on this. Now, let's go back to the charts. Just wanted to break that down, give you guys a perspective. So, ABBV. Now, we got 2 down, 2 down, 2 down on the daily. I wouldn't swing this. AMAT. That's a 2-2 reversal. Perfect. Starbucks. This is something I would be looking at swinging. So let's say I see this and it's the last 30 minutes of the market. Now, what do we have here? 2-1-2 bullish reversal, right? We got a 2 down candle. We got a 1 candle. What should be next? This 2 up. Right? Now, when we go back here and we go back to the charts, look at what we got. 2-1. Now, this 1 candle is a bullish 1 candle, but we do have a little bit of selling pressure. So this could be a 2-1. This could be a 2-1 continuation to the downside, or it could be a 2-1 reversal to the upside. But because we got a bullish 1 candle, which means that this is a green candle, and then we've been holding this level. This is a holding this market structure. Before the market closes, you can enter in your trade. So before market close, you enter in your trade right there at the close of this candle. So you take your entry. Now, because this was Friday, you would probably get next week's expiration on May 15th. Now, we got entry. Now, what is going to be your price target? Let's think about this. Based on the STRAT method, this could be the trigger, because then the stock will go 2 up right here at 105.43. So if I was to day trade this, I would say calls above 105.43. So I would say calls above 105.43. But if I want to swing trade it, I'm going to enter in at the end of the day, the last 15 minutes of the market, and I'm going to anticipate this candle going 2 up. So I'm not going to be worried about the calls above 105.43 entering in, because I'm already going to be in a swing trade. Now, when I'm in this trade and the next day the stock opens up, let's say the stock, we got in at 104.88, and now we're at 105.43. Depending on what day it is, we're going to be up maybe 20% or so. And then let's say we get above 105.43. You stay in the trade, and then what do? You wait until we come up to here, and this is going to be your take profit level. Take profit. It's going to be your take profit right here, or price target. Just like that. And what is that going to be? 106. 106.10. So we're going to say 106.10. Right? Boom. Just like that. So you caught the move from 104.88 and rode it up to 106.10. Now, you could have entered at 105.43 and then rode it up to 106.10. You would have got about 70 cents off of that. But with this, you got almost $2, right? About $1.40 movement. Options, you're probably sitting at about 50% trade, depending on what day of the week it is and what your strike price is. Done deal, right? If you get in at 104.88, you could get a 105 strike price, or you could get the 106 strike price. Once it hits 106.10, it could go a little bit higher. You're in the money. You collect your profits. You be done with it. That's how I would do this. Y'all see what happened right here. A 2 candle, a 1 candle. Buyers have stepped in, and then look what happened. It blasts off all the way up here. You enter in a swing trade here off this 1 candle. Next day, it comes up a little bit, comes down, holds, blast off. And that's it. That's a 2-1-2. We just saw a 2-1-2 here. So we could do the same thing right here. Right? One of the highest probability setups, and it doesn't matter what time frame you're on. If we come down to the 30-minute time frame, let's look. We got a 2-1-2 setup right here. 2-1. It broke above here. Enter. Ride it up a little bit. You could collect this. That's a little scalp trade. It didn't go too much higher because it rejected off this level from the previous day. Right? But then what else we got? Let's find another 2-1-2. Look at this. 2-1-2. And then it goes higher. Right? That's a 2-1-2. 2-1-2. Right? That's on the 30-minute. If we go to the hourly, look at this. 2-1, 2-1-2 bullish reversal. Right? You enter in right here. It comes down, comes back up, and then it drops right down here. All the way down to 105.71 from 106.29. That's almost $1 movement. Right? So the same way you have the setups on the 30-minute, on the hourly, you have these same setups on the daily time frame. Okay? Same setups on the daily time frame as well. So you take entry before market closes, but you're looking for your setup. You're looking for your combination. Once that combination, you know it's about to close on that combination and that market structure looks solid, that's when you take entry, and that's when your life changes, because you do this consistently over a matter of time. Right? Look at this one right here. We got Delta Airlines. What do we have? We have a 3-1, a bearish 3 bar, a bearish 1 bar. So I would be looking at a continuation on this, depending on if we got buyers or if we got sellers in this area. But based off the STRAT method, if you're not sure, just wait to day trade the stock, because whatever direction it goes, it's going to go in a direction very strong. But if you're confident in a direction, you can swing it in that direction off of this setup right here, and you can eat. But that's how you could swing trade with the STRAT method, and you could do that consistently. So instead of having to sit through all the volatility of a day trade or a scalp trade, you could get in before the market closes, and then you could wake up and be up 20, 30, 40%, and you just keep rinsing and repeating that every single day of every single week. So that's how you swing trade with the STRAT method. If you guys want to trade with us in the Discord, we've been going crazy. I posted a video yesterday about some of the swing trades that I called this week, and we've been going crazy, and we're going to do this all over again this coming week. So I hope that this video was helpful for you guys. Like I always say, make sure you get up out your head, go get into this world, because your head is a dangerous place to live. All right. Also remember, y'all, the more you study, the less you worry. All right. Y'all have a great day. I'm going to holler at y'all on tomorrow's video. Y'all stay smooth, man. Peace.